Hi, I'm Dr. Benyon. I have an exciting morning. I am going to be visiting our kindergarten teachers and students to learn about how to cook a turkey and what they eat for Thanksgiving. I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. What do you guys usually have for Thanksgiving?
My mom had shrimp.
Ooh, I love shrimp.
Shrimp is for Thanksgiving.
Oh, that's new. I like having shrimp too. I've never had it for Thanksgiving. Is there anything else you want to tell me about turkeys? What kind of noise did turkey make? Bok? Is that a duck?
No.
What do you like about Thanksgiving and turkeys?
Usually I don't know what I like about turkeys. Usually I don't know. Usually I think about it later.
Yeah, put on your turkey though to eat.
Salsa.
Salsa?
Yeah.
Delicious.
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce. Ooh, that sounds excellent. I love hot sauce too. I do too.
Peppers. I love peppers.
Well, you like hot things, don't you? Yeah. What kind of sound does a turkey make?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Are you sure that's a turkey? That sounds like a rooster. I need you guys to help me decide what I need for ingredients for a turkey. But really, the first thing that I need to ask is raise your hand if you know where you can go get a turkey.
In the forest.
In the forest. Where are they normally at in the forest?
Nobody can find them.
Where nobody can find them, so I'll have to be really sneaky. So I'll go to the store to pick up a turkey. I like the woods too, but I think the easiest way, because I have to have this by Thursday, so I got to get a turkey fairly quickly. So tell me, if I'm going to the store, what kind of ingredients, what kind of things do I need to buy to go with the turkey?
Fish.
Yes, maybe we could buy some fish.
And put it all around the turkey.
Put it around the turkey. I love that. What other things have you eaten for Thanksgiving? What are some other things? We talked about pies. What else do you like with your Thanksgiving supper?
I like pumpkin pie with whipped cream with blueberries on top with one cherry in the middle.
Delicious. What else should I buy for the mashed potatoes?
Candy corn.
Candy corns? How many of you like candy corns on your mashed potatoes? Would you eat the candy corn or would you eat the mashed potatoes?
Candy corn. Candy corn.
Candy corn. Okay. One last question, and you guys can answer this. Put your hands down. How many of you, raise your hand, if you have eaten asparagus? Do you know what asparagus is? It's a vegetable, that's right. It's really long.
Pickles on it.
You got pickles on everything, don't you? I can